Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove duplicates in KNIME. All right. So first up, go ahead and go to your nodes right here. Okay. Click on nodes. Now look for row. Okay. Down here, you're going to want to find duplicate row filter in here. Okay. If you want to, you can go ahead and type it down, duplicate row filter. Okay. We have it in here. Just drag and drop, connect it to, run it once, and wait for it to finish. Okay. Now it is connected. Just double click on row filter. And in here we have the column that are included in the filtering. Okay. As you can see here, I have all my columns in here listed. Now, if you want to exclude a column, click on a column. Now click on the move to left arrow. All right. Like so. Again, another one like that. Now, scroll down. As you can see here, we have duplicate handling. Just leave it to remove duplicate rows. Now scroll down, row chosen in case of duplicate. You can go ahead and select the first row or last row, or minimum of right here, or maximum of. Okay. We have some advanced settings here as well, like compute in memory. So what is that? Go ahead and go to the information icon. And if it's selected, computation is sped up by utilizing working memory or RAM. Now in here, update domain of columns right here. This one recomputes the domain of all columns in the output table such that the domains bounds exactly match the bounds of the data in the output tables. Retain row order right here. Selected rows in the output table are guaranteed to have the same order as in the input table. Okay, I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to hit on last, all right, and hit on OK. Once that's done, execute, and the duplicates are now removed. Okay, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.